Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is week 1 assignment of the course Joy of Computing using Python. So guys, these are completely our probable solutions. So we have been giving solutions for the past 6 years. So let's see the solutions one by one. So if you are new to our channel, definitely subscribe our channel, definitely like the video guys. Then only our videos will reach more number of students so that they will also get benefited like you. So let's see the first question. After following the sequence of movements from the glowing scroll, Pixel ends up back at the exact spot where she started. So it is true, guys. So mark first option as the correct answer for first question, right? So first option is the most probable solution. Now let's move on to the second question. Second one. As Pixel follows the instructions from the mysterious scroll, she traces out a specific shape on the ground. What shape does her path form? So for second question, first option, a square is the probable solution. Next, third one. Based on the shape Pixel traces while following the scroll's instructions, what is the area covered by her path in square units? So I have got 10,000. So 10,000, four zeros after one, right? So this is 0. So 10,000. Next, suppose Pixel had turned 120 degrees instead of 90 degrees at each turn while following the scroll's instructions. What shape would her new path form? So for this question, second option, guys, an open figure. So mark second option as the probable solution. Next question. So several students at the Scratch Coding Club try to recreate Pixel's journey using different blocks. So they are asking what is the which code produce the same path in the as path as similar to the previous question, right? So for this question, please mark the third option, the third one, guys, the third option, right? Now let's move on to the next question. If Pixel follows a new set of instructions written in the scratch code below, will she return to the same spot where she started? So for this question, it is yes. Next question. In the new scenario from the previous question, what shape would Pixel trace as she follows the updated instructions? So for seventh question, it is second option, a hexagon. Guys, these are completely our probable solutions. If you suggest us any new option other than what we have shown you, you can please give your opinion in the comment section so that we will once again cross check. So these are most probable solutions, guys, and we are having the experience of giving the solutions for the past 6 years. Please subscribe our channel and definitely like the video, guys, once explore through our channel. Next, what is the total distance traveled by the man? So for the next question, that is eighth one, third option, 50 units is the probable solution, guys. So mark 50 units, right? Next, what is the displacement of the man from the starting to the final position? So for ninth question, it is fourth option, 25.5 units. Next, in which direction is the man from the initial position at the end? So For 10th question, it is second option, southwest, right? Next, what is the position of the man after the second move? So for 11th one, it is fourth option, minus 15 comma minus 15, right? Next one, how many turns did the man make and how many of them were to the left? So the answer is 4 turns comma 2 left. So the most probable solution is second option. Next one, so due to time constraints and I am unable to read the bulk question, main question, guys. So let's see the normal questions. What are the first two values placed in the sequence variables? So for 13th question, mark second option, x1 is 0 and x2 is 1. Next, how many times does the repeat loop run? So for 14th question, it is third option, 5. Next one, which operation is performed to obtain y inside the loop? So for 15th question, mark second option, x1 square plus x2 square. So mark second option, right? Next one, what is the value of x2 after the first pass through the loop? So for this question, 1 is the probable solution. Guys, if there are any changes that come to our notice, definitely we will update that in the comment section. So before final submission, once again check that, guys, and do watch full video. Don't skip the video. You may miss some content if you skip the video, right? Next one, why is the assignment set x1 to x2 necessary? So the probable solution is second option, guys. It keeps the two term window sliding forward. Next one, after the loop finishes, which variable's value is spoken by the sprite? So it is second option, that is x2. Next one, what kind of control structure is demonstrated by the repeat block? So for 18th question, sorry, the 19th one, iteration is the probable solution. Next, which line makes the algorithm state changing rather than read only? For 20th question, the probable solution is first option, set y2, right? So guys, before moving into the next question, so we want to show that we have collected past NPTEL assignment questions. So here you go. So for the course Joy of Computing using Python, we have got the exam preparation MCQs. So these are collection of 9 past semesters assignment MCQs, guys. With 5 years of NPTEL experience, we have collected this. So this is the mail ID, bk179417@gmail.com. So 125 MCQs, 150 rupees, guys. 240 MCQs, that means approximately 240 MCQs, which is equal to 2 semesters MCQs, assignment MCQs. 250 rupees. 360 MCQs, 360. 600 MCQs, 500. And 1000 plus MCQs, 800. So the validity will be exam results day, guys. So till that exam results publishing day, you will continue to have the access. You will get that in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. So already hundreds of students have benefited through our various PDFs, guys. So if you are interested, you can mail me to this email ID, bk179417@gmail.com. So already many students and even professors have also taken our pack, guys. So you can get very good preparation along with correct answers we will provide. So these are past NPTEL assignment MCQs, guys. So these are the MCQs and prices. So if you increase the number of MCQs, the price will get reduced, guys. So you can choose the better pack that you can afford. So this is the mail ID bk179417 at the rate gmail.com. We will give the same email ID in the description box also. You can get it from there also. So already many students and professors have also taken our pack and prepared through our MCQs pack, guys. You can mail me to this email ID. Okay. Now let's get back to the solutions. Suppose the loop were changed to run one time instead of five. What number would the sprite say? So for 21st question, it is 1, guys. Next, what broad programming concept does this script best illustrate? So for this question, numerical iteration is the probable solution. Next, moving on to the next set of questions based on this scratch code, right? So what is the initial value of current and previous when the program starts? So for 23rd question, both 0, the third option is the probable solution. Next, what does the changed flag variable represent in the code? So for this one, first option, whether the value changed. Next, what is the role of the previous variable? So for 25th question, it is second option, guys. It stores the value from the last iteration. Next, what kind of variable is changed flag? So the probable solution is flag variable. Next, what is the purpose of setting previous to current at the end of the loop? So it is second option, to compare the new value with the last one in the next iteration. Guys, keep subscribe to our channel forever so that you can get weekly updates regarding assignments and also MCQs. And if you are new to our channel, definitely subscribe our channel and definitely like the video. If you like the video, our videos will reach more number of students so that they will also get benefited like you. So next, how many times does the repeat loop run? So the probable solution is 10, guys. Next, which block is used to simulate a changing value? So for 29th question, second option is the probable solution. And moving on to the final question. So before moving into this, once again, I want to make you remember that we are providing huge number of 9 past semesters assignment MCQs, which are equivalent to 1000 plus MCQs, guys. So 125 MCQs, 150, 360 MCQs, 360, 600 MCQs, approximately 5 sems equivalent, 500 only, and 1000 plus MCQs will be 800 rupees, guys. So mail me to this email ID if you are confirmed to make the purchase. If you have any doubts regarding this, we can discuss this. bk179417 at the rate gmail.com. So this is the mail ID, guys. You can mail me to this email ID. The validity will be till the exam results day. So this is restricted PDF link, guys. You'll get that in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. So that's it, guys. Already many students and professors have also taken our various packs. According to your budget limitations, you can take these packs, guys. Now let's move on to the last solution and question. When does the sprite say same value? So for this, third option is the probable solution. So friends, these are the most probable solutions for week 1 assignment of the course Joy of Computing using Python. Hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, definitely subscribe our channel, like the video, and please share this with your friends and classmates, and don't forget to purchase this huge number of MCQs pack, guys. So that's it, guys. So keep supporting us like this. So until the next video, good.